can trust your intuition when you have expertise. But the conditions for having expertise are really fairly specific. You have to be in a world that is regular, where there are rules to be picked up. Because if you're in a chaotic world where there are no rules, then you're not going to develop expertise. Then you have to have an opportunity to learn the rules. And that takes a long time. That takes many instances. And you need feedback from reality about whether your guesses were correct or wrong. And that feedback has to be rapid. If the feedback is delayed, you're not going to learn. Now, if you're in a regular world and you have many opportunities to learn about that world with immediate feedback, you will eventually develop expert intuition. Now, all of us have expert intuition in many domains. So we have expert intuition about crossing the street. We can evaluate at a glance whether it's safe or not safe to cross. We have expert intuition about our spouse's mood. You can hear one word over the telephone and you know what mood your spouse is in. So everybody has expertise in some domains. If you're in a domain where there is expertise and you don't have it, don't try to guess your way into the problem. Try to find experts who can provide that guidance.